Good afternoon, everyone. So that is officially mine now. इसलिए इतना छोटा सा गिफ्ट दिया है मुझे. हाँ? Free में है इसलिए छोटा सा मिला. But thank you so much and congratulations on launching this website. Well, internet is, everyone knows, is I think one of the biggest platforms today. And I'm really happy that one of my brands and one of something that I believe in has launched an online shopping thing. I think every woman wants to shop, and especially घर बैठे बैठे अगर कुछ चीज़ मिल जाए, I think there's nothing better than that. मैं खुद ही बहुत ही online shopping करती हूँ, and definitely I would love to shop on the Malabar Gold and Diamond site, but as long as the bill is being paid by someone else and not me. But lovely jewels for sale. Also, I'd like to take this opportunity in telling everyone that it's actually one of the best brands I endorse, not because it stands for, of course, elegance and being traditional at the same time, which I think I am, I believe a lot in tradition, and so does Malabar Gold and Diamonds. It's also one of the best brands because the way they shoot me, जिस तरह से ads बनाते हैं, जिस तरह के हम लोग photo shoots करते हैं, I have so much fun doing them, and that's why I think I look so good and look so fresh and beautiful. So I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all of you all for always putting the best into most of my shoots. And I hope all of you all liked the TVC, जो I think दिखाया था before the start of this event, because that was the last one that we shot, and I think it's quite a fun, interesting shoot that happened. They didn't show you? It was running. तुम लोग देख नहीं रहे थे. तुम लोग wait कर रहे थे कि अभी करीना कहाँ है ताकि वो आके I can ask her 101 questions.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Karina, and I'm sure that they're all very eager to.
Yeah, friends, there is a photo opportunity. She will come there and we can take photos. But in case anybody wants to ask about the company or anything regarding the online shopping or the products, there's an opportunity. After that, of course, she's there for a photo.
Say kind of a trust has to be there, because any piece of jewelry what you buy, you have to try it, you have to see it personally, and then you go for it. So how much do you prefer this kind of shopping online, in fact?
No, I think that aajkal today everything from clothes to shoes, people are buying shoes. Shoes also you have to try, but people are buying that online. And this is something that I think all women, even at home, working women sometimes find it impossible to go to stores and pick up things. Today women are working. They rather, be at home. Sometimes even family people, बच्चे को छोड़ के कहीं जा नहीं सकते कुछ लेने. So it's easier that at home, you can just sit online and order something and it'll look beautiful.
Karina, shoes is something like it could be around in thousands, but this could go in lakhs also. तो अगर इस तरह की shopping, gold jewelry की बात करते हैं हम लोग, तो what have you to say like?
Well, he's just told me that they have a 14-day return policy also. So if you don't like something and want to exchange it for something, I think that's a great thing to have, because like जैसे आपने पूछा था कि अगर कुछ fit नहीं हुआ या it didn't look that good, you can always try it on and exchange it back. So that is a good policy to have online.
Karina, hi, Sonup here from IndianTelevision.com. A diamond is known to be a woman's best friend. When did your romance with diamond and gold begin?
Well, I think ever since I started earning my first paycheck, I think that's the time jewelry was my best friend. And I think that's the case with most women. Jewelry छोटा हो या बड़ा, I think just the fact that बहुत simple सा है, जैसे मुझे gift मिला है, I just joked that it was a small one, but even that looks elegant sometimes. Jewelry is just something. Gold, diamonds is something that women they take as a pride to wear. I think it's just you feel very proud as a woman when you wear something. If something you buy from your first paycheck as a woman, that also is a pride. If something your husband also gives you, it shows कि husband के पास कितना पैसा है, तो जितना और बड़ा हो उतना और अच्छा हो. आजकल लोग ऐसे सोचते हैं.
So could you tell us what was it that you purchased and how expensive was it?
Well, right now I'm just happy that I've got something for free, so I have not had to purchase anything. And I'm their brand ambassador, so they should be giving me everything.
करीना here. आप ज्वेलरी के बारे में आज बात कर रही हैं, लॉन्च भी करने आई हैं. कल आपका दूसरा करवा चौथ है. Are you expecting कि Saif is going to gift you some jewelry?
Well, all I know is that all the women will be starving, but I'll be eating. I don't need to starve to prove my love for my husband.
And क्या आप चाहेंगे कि बहुत सारे husbands जो होते हैं वो करवा चौथ पे अपनी wife के साथ फास्ट करते हैं, तो सैफ को आप चाहेंगे वो आपके लिए भी फास्ट रखें?
मगर मैं खुद फास्ट नहीं रख रही हूँ तो वो क्यों रखेंगे?
लेकिन ज्वेलरी गिफ्ट लेने का तो बहाना अच्छा है. आपने कहा बहुत ट्रेडिशनल है, तो ये तो एक ट्रेडिशन है पंजाबीज में. You're also Punjabi.
Yeah, but I'm not in that sense. I don't think there's a particular day for a woman to buy jewelry. A woman is ready to buy jewelry morning, noon, and night, any given day, any given point. So I don't think, of course, festivities are near. Diwali is coming close, followed by New Year, by Christmas. So there is going to be a season of a lot of gifts. And that's why so many of the gift offers will be starting everywhere, you know, at all the places. But I mean, I don't really need a particular event to buy something. Agar kuch acha laga, I think I'll just pick it up.
अच्छा करीना, एक सवाल ये बनता है कि which is the best piece of jewelry Saif has gifted you?
Well, there's nothing that I can even remember right now that what he's given me. I think it's everything that I've bought with my hard-earned money that is what is special to me.
करीना, वो लोग जो आपको चाहने वाले हैं उनको क्या बधाई देंगी करवा चौथ की? कल के लिए क्या बधाई
खाना
देंगी?
खाओ, मिठाई खाओ, मुंह मीठा करो यार. प्यार में भूखा क्या मरना?
Karina here. Karina, since long time, Karina, do you write?
नहीं, मैं खाने के बगैर नहीं जी सकती. मैं कपूर हूँ. Please.
Karina here, right? Since long time, Karina.
So what's your take on how do you celebrate Karwa Chauth? I mean, you just said you want to
by eating and enjoying and working and promoting my upcoming film. I have to do that. It's part of my job. So that's the way it is. For me, it's another day.
करीना, अभी traditions की बात कर रहे थे हम.
Karina here, to your right, here. To your right, here. Since long time, you know, the jewelry has been an item for great attraction. So how you desire jewelries as a style, trend, and fashion statement? How important do you think jewelries are for statement of a fashion?
Well, it'll always remain a fashion statement, and especially gold and diamonds. Gold and diamonds is a combination that I don't think can ever go wrong. It's like a life partner. It's always there with you.
Karina, we were just talking about
take that as the last question.
Traditions. You've been married for a year now, and you are talking about being traditional. Any plans of extending your family or anything like that soon?
That has nothing to do with jewelry, so.
Karina.
No, I think that just the fact that, you know, you should wear things that suit you. And I never follow trends. That's one thing that's there. The trend was to not be married and, you know, act. But I went against that trend too. So it's something that I believe in. I like wearing casual clothes and jewelry which is, you know, like light, like what I'm wearing in my ears right now. It's something that I prefer. You know, like even if people are saying, ke, buy the heavy sets, but like even when we're shooting for the Malabar ads, I enjoy wearing the lighter diamond stuff a lot more.
We'll close the question answer round here.
ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग में कोई ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस, करीना, ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग में कोई ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस जो बहुत बुरा हो या बहुत अच्छा हो आपके लिए?
Well, definitely. I mean, I've always had a good experience. I'm quite a voracious online shopper. मैं बहुत कुछ items internet पे खरीदती हूँ क्योंकि I don't get a lot of time to really go to the stores and try on things. And I've had a wonderful experience. In fact, घर बैठे बैठे ऐसे लगता है कि चलना भी नहीं पड़ता है, कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता है, कुछ ज़्यादा ही बिल आ जाता है. Because we're sitting AC room में बैठ के हम लोग शॉप भी कर रहे हैं. तो sometimes you tend to buy a little extra, which is good, I think.
Very close to the question answer round right here.
आपने दिवाली
Karina, you look stunning as always, undoubtedly. But then, since we're talking so much about gold, there's this also something which is happening in Dodia Kheda where they're, saying that there's 1,000 tons of gold below the ground. What do you have to say about that?
That I think the owners of Malabar Gold and Diamonds, because I'm not the owner.
No, but what do
and
you
I'll
think?
never have 1,000 tons of gold in my life.
No,
Karina, thank you very much for your
1,000 tons
questions.
of gold, how will it benefit India?